If you dip this in milk, it's not gonna be the same.
I never dip an Oreo in milk.
What kind of monster doesn't dip their Oreos in milk? You have to. So I went to my local Asian supermarket and I saw some cool flavors. Peach flour fermented rice. Now that's an interesting combo. It smells like red wine. Not impressed. I don't even taste the peach. Is there any alcohol in here? Okay, so there's no actual alcohol in here, but that's a weird fermented flavor. Not impressed. I'm giving this maybe a 1.4 out of 10. I'm not even going to finish the other half. Mango pomelo. So I'm a sucker for mangoes and it's probably my favorite fruit, maybe outside of watermelon. It smells like one of those jelly mango cups. Okay, really strong hint of mango, and I think the cream is the pomelo part, so that's really citrusy. But this doesn't taste like Oreo. If I was blindfolded and you gave me this, I would not think that this was an Oreo. I would have just thought it was a mango cookie. I'm giving this a 7.1 out of 10. Yogurt flavor. I was scared for a second because I saw a green leaf on the packet, so I thought it was mint. Luckily, it's not mint chocolate. Not bad, but I don't taste yogurt. It tastes more like lemon. I like yogurt, so I was hoping to get some sort of tangy flavor, but like it's not bad, but I'm giving this a 6.2 out of 10. Matcha. Now I love matcha, I love green tea, so it even smells like it. Nice. Yeah, but surprisingly, none of these so far taste like an Oreo. I don't know, so what makes an Oreo taste like an Oreo? Is it the actual combination of the white cream? Because I guess as soon as you change the cream, it doesn't really taste like an Oreo anymore. I'm giving that an 8.5 out of 10. I don't know, none of these really tasted like an Oreo. I don't think you can beat the classic.